Hi, I'm Natalie, married to Chef Randall, the inventor of this turbo cooker system. Today we're going to make honey ginger chicken with noodles. Let's get cooking. These ingredients were marinated just 20 minutes earlier. If you have a chance, you can do it the night before. Otherwise, you can even take it out from the freezer and just add 2 extra minutes to your cooking time. Okay, we're going to cover it and leave it cook for 4 minutes. Take off the cover. Wow, look how beautiful. And I'm gonna add the extra marinade. There's so much juice and so much liquid because of the dome cover. It's amazing. I'm gonna cover it now for 2 more minutes. I didn't have to clean the pan. I just put the water in with the remaining juices from my chicken. I chose to put broccoli. If your kids prefer carrots, look at the cooking guide and you just adjust the time. So I put broccoli in now because broccoli takes 8 minutes to steam al dente. If you prefer to put asparagus or you want to put any vegetable you'd like, you just look at the time. That's turbo cooking. So I just mixed it all in, and now we're ready to plate. You can always substitute rice noodles. It just takes 2 minutes in the boiling water. Today we're going to cook honey ginger chicken, and I'm going to show you how to make honey ginger chicken glazed with delicious stuff.